In large format laminating production, speed alone is not enough. What truly matters is whether the machine can run smoothly, handle sheets quickly, and stay stable over time. This is the HBF-3 1700 Smart Laminator Machine with stacker, running under real production conditions. The finished boards show flat surfaces, accurate bonding, and consistent quality. Even with oversized formats, the lamination result remains clean and reliable. Production starts at the feeder. The pre-stacking function prepares sheets in advance, reducing waiting time between jobs and increasing overall productivity. Under large-size job conditions, the HBF-3 1700 maintains smooth and stable operation. Sheet feeding, alignment, and lamination work together in a controlled and predictable rhythm. All machine parameters are clearly displayed on the touchscreen. Speed, pressure, format settings, and memory functions are easy to access, making setup faster and reducing operator workload. Even when processing oversized boards, the press section delivers stable pressure and consistent lamination results. No vibration, no deviation, just steady output. Before stacking, sheets pass through a uniquely designed transition platform. This structure breaks down the fish-scale paper flow step by step, reducing pressure on the stacker. The new generation stacker is no longer limited by pallet size. It adapts easily to large formats, ensuring smooth stacking and stable handling. Fast paper feeding, smooth transitions, and controlled stacking allow the machine to maintain high efficiency without sacrificing stability. HBF-3 1700 Smart Laminator Machine with stacker. Engineered for large format jobs. Designed for smooth operation and intelligent control.